Project 2025 is a sweeping proposal that seeks to dismantle the United States' system of checks and balances to implement a hardline far-right agenda. This plan would reduce the power of everyday Americans while increasing the control of politicians, judges, and corporations over individual lives. Below are some of the key ways Project 2025 would negatively impact residents of Alaska. Taxes. Project 2025 would shift the tax burden away from the ultra-wealthy and onto the middle class. Under this plan, a typical family of 4 in Alaska would face a $2,952 annual tax hike. Meanwhile, approximately 45,000 U.S. households reporting incomes over $10 million would each receive an average yearly tax cut of $1.5 million. Social Security. The plan's authors support raising the retirement age, which would impact around 78% of Alaska's population of 571,165 people. Recent Republican Study Committee budget proposals advocate raising the retirement age from 67 to 69, reducing benefits by $4,100 to $8,900 in just the first year of retirement, depending on when individuals begin claiming. Healthcare. Project 2025 recommends imposing limits or lifetime caps on Medicaid benefits. This could jeopardize health coverage for 62,300 low-income Alaskans who rely on Medicaid and may not have other affordable options. The plan would also eliminate out-of-pocket cost limits for Medicare prescription drugs, potentially raising medication costs for up to 30,520 Alaskans. It would further prohibit the federal government from negotiating lower drug prices. Abortion and contraceptive access. Project 2025 aims to strip free emergency contraception from preventive care requirements, which would affect 95,000 women in Alaska who currently have guaranteed access. The plan directs the U.S. Department of Justice to misuse the outdated Comstock Act to criminalize the mailing of abortion medication, effectively banning abortion nationwide even in states where it remains legal. It also calls for prosecuting local officials who refuse to charge women or doctors under state-level abortion bans. Childcare. The proposal would eliminate Head Start, a vital program offering no-cost childcare and other services to 2,502 low-income children in Alaska. This would be especially damaging to rural and underserved communities already facing limited access to childcare. Student loans. Project 2025 would scrap income-driven repayment plans in favor of a one-size-fits-all model. As a result, the 11,000 Alaskan borrowers currently enrolled in the Biden-Harris SAFE plan would see their annual payments increase by $2,700 to $4,100. Public education. By proposing to abolish the U.S. Department of Education, Project 2025 would eliminate Title I funding, which helps ensure schools serving low-income communities can provide a high-quality education. In Alaska, this would result in the loss of 480 teaching positions, affecting 8,790 students. Facts provided by Center for American Progress.